Okay, voy a dar un testimonio de una de las diferentes maneras en que Satanás engaña a todos nosotros.
I'm going to give a testimony about one of the ways in which Satan lies to people.
Cuando yo empecé a ir en este camino equivocado,
When I began into a journey of the wrong path,
fue cuando una de mis hijas cayó en depresión.
it was during a time that one of my daughters fell into a depression.
Y entonces en mi cabeza siempre estaba muy oprimida, pensando muchas cosas.
And at that time, I was feeling a lot of oppression, and in my mind, I was constantly thinking negative thoughts and oppressive thoughts.
A veces mi esposo y yo nos culpábamos el uno al otro. Nuestra hija está depresiva por tu culpa, o él me culpaba a mí, o yo a él.
There was turmoil in my house and in my marriage. My husband and I would blame each other for why our daughter was going through what she was going through. And, oh, she's depressed because of you. No, she's depressed because of you. And so we would blame each other.
Entonces me encontré un libro que decía cómo tener el control de mi mente.
So then I found a book that was Take Control of Your Mind.
Entonces yo empecé a leer ese libro y luego lo ponía en práctica.
So then I began to read the book and put into practice what I was reading.
A ver si era cierto lo que decía.
To test it and see if what the book and what the author claimed was true.
Y sí me dio un poco de paz.
And yes,
Pude controlar mi mente.
And I was able to better control my mind.
Después leí otro libro sobre la Dianética.
And later on, I read another book about Dianetics.
Esta es una filosofía que habla de cómo puedes llegar a traumas del pasado.
This specific philosophy is about how you can come to a level of consciousness of something, a traumatic event that happened way long ago that perhaps you don't even remember.
Para que ya no me sintiera yo tan oprimida. Quería ver por qué me sentía así.
So I was trying to discover why was I feeling so oppressed.
Después leí otro libro sobre meditación trascendental.
Later on, I came across another book. It was about transcendental meditation.
Este me fue llevando a escuchar la música de la nueva era.
So then I began to listen to music that would be meditation and new age, and so I began to meditate.
Empecé a meditar para tratar, según yo, de curarme todas mis defectos o enfermedades físicas.
I began to do this meditation and listening to this music and soothing sounds. So supposedly, for myself, I was going to heal my own self, my own body, and my own ailments.
Después leí sobre las chakras.
I also ended up reading about chakras.
Esta es una teoría que dice de que todos tenemos como portales, como puertas en nuestro cuerpo.
This is a belief that each of us have portals in our body that lets in and out certain things, and it's within our body, there's portals and doorways.
Para que nosotros podamos ponernos en contacto con el universo.
And this is so that we could be in contact with the power of the universe.
Y que con la energía del universo nos podamos balancear y estar perfectos, así como el universo es perfecto.
And this idea also teaches that I would be balanced and come to tap into the power of the universe, which is perfect, that I too would be balanced and come to perfect alignment with the universe.
Luego también leí sobre el autohipnotismo.
I also learned about self-hypnotism.
Para ver qué más podía yo tener dentro de mí que me hiciera daño.
And so that I could find out if there was anything else inside of me that could possibly harm me.
Lo peor de todo esto
The worst thing about all of this that I'm sharing
es que cada vez que yo leía un libro,
is that every time I would read a book about these beliefs and philosophies,
lo trataba de poner en práctica
I would put it into practice
para ver si era real en la práctica lo que decía en teoría.
to see and test that what I was reading was real in practice.
Pero en ese entonces yo no me daba cuenta que todas esas teorías venían de Satanás.
But in those days, of course, I didn't know that all of these beliefs and ideas were coming straight from Satan.
Porque en ese entonces yo no creía en Dios.
Because back in those days, I didn't even believe in God.
Yo no creía en nada espiritual.
I didn't even believe in anything spiritual.
No creía que hubiera algo sobrenatural.
I didn't believe
No
in
lo
the
creía.
supernatural world.
Entonces nos atrapa Satanás para que no creamos en el Dios vivo.
So this is how Satan uses these things to keep us trapped from knowing the truth about the living God.
Porque Dios es el único Dios viviente y el creador de todas las cosas, de todo el universo y de todo lo que en ella hay.
And the reason that Satan wants to blind us is because God is the creator of everything, the only living God who made everything, including the universe.
Pero después de estar leyendo y practicando estas teorías por 9 años,
So after I practiced these, read about these, and practiced each of these different beliefs and theories and put them into practice in my own life for 9 years,
entonces una vez yo las combiné al despertar en la mañana muy temprano en mi casa y entonces yo tenía un deseo de que estuviera en el mar y ver las olas, estaba meditando en eso.
so one of these mornings, it was like after 9 years of all of these beliefs, I just melded them all together. I mixed them up for my benefit to put to use for my own. And one morning I woke up and I had a desire in my heart to kind of be at the ocean and see the waves. I wanted to just be there at the ocean.
Entonces Satanás me dio una experiencia que en ese entonces me pareció maravillosa.
And so this is the time, the time that I had a supernatural experience that I never had before. And Satan used this opportunity to bring me an experience that back in those days, I thought it just shocked me. It opened my eyes. I felt enlightened, and it was a marvelous thing. That's what I thought.
Yo pude ver las olas del mar ahí en mi cuarto.
I had a vision, and I could see the waves of the sea there as I was in my room.
Y luego vi un sol muy brillante
And then I saw a sun, and it was so bright.
y pude sentir su calor que penetró en mi cuerpo.
I was able to see and then feel the sun, the heat from the sun came and penetrated my body.
Y eso fue una experiencia para mí muy bonita.
And for me, this was an experience, an out-of-body experience, and it was so beautiful that I thought it was such a beautiful experience.
Entonces empecé a creer en lo sobrenatural,
And that's when I began to believe in the supernatural,
que sí había alguna cosa espiritual.
that there was something spiritual happening.
Pero yo empecé a llamarle a esa presencia, a esa voz que me guiaba. Yo le dije, tú vas a ser mi Dios.
So then I began to call this voice that I heard during that experience. I heard a voice, and that voice said he would guide me. So that voice started to guide me, and I began to call that person, that personality, that voice, my God.
Sin saber que era el espíritu de Satanás que me había atacado.
Of course, I was oblivious to the fact that it was an angel of darkness that was speaking to me, Satan himself, that was masquerading as an angel of light.
Pero yo me levanté maravillada de esa experiencia.
But I got up that morning, I was just full of joy from that experience.
Y el enemigo me hizo creer que era Dios
And
el que me la había dado.
the enemy made me think that it was God who had given me this experience.
Pero gracias a Dios que me liberó de ese engaño
But I thank God that he freed me from that big deception,
y que el Señor me hizo a través de esa experiencia traerme a sus caminos.
and that Jesus Christ was the one who was able then from that to turn it around and bring me into the truth, into his truth.
Porque después de eso yo leí sobre el psicoanálisis buscando por qué había oído yo eso, por qué había tenido yo esa experiencia, pero no vino ninguna respuesta.
Because after that experience, I began to read more and I started to study psychoanalysis. I was trying to figure out what it was that had happened, this spiritual experience, and I couldn't find an explanation.
Pero luego empecé yo a ir a una iglesia
But I started going to church
y empecé a leer la Biblia
and I began to read the Bible.
y yo decidí creer en Dios. Yo escogí creer en Dios.
And I decided to believe in God
Y ahí empezó ahora mi camino
and accept Jesus Christ.
a conocer a Cristo Jesús.
And that was when I began to come to know Jesus Christ personally.
Entonces en la Biblia yo pude leer
So in the Bible, I was able to read
que Satanás se disfraza de ángel de luz
that Satan masquerades around as an angel of light
para engañar,
to
cautivar y atrapar a las personas
take us captive.
que son como yo era,
And that's what I was.
que negaban a Dios
I denied
y a su
God
Hijo Jesucristo.
and denied Jesus Christ.
Por eso yo exhorto a todas las personas que se están creyendo ese tipo de teorías a que las abandonen totalmente, porque vienen de Satanás.
And that is why today I exhort everyone who I meet who are practicing these spiritual things of darkness. I tell them to abandon all those ideas because those are against God and of Jesus Christ.
Yo fui engañada por 22 años,
I was deceived for 22 years,
haciéndome creer Satanás que esa era mi experiencia donde había encontrado a Dios.
I had been deceived thinking that experience that I had through all those dark means was an experience with God.
Pero aunque me duele decirlo, porque fui engañada tanto tiempo, en este mes de julio del 2020, el Señor me quitó la venda de los ojos.
But as much as it pains me to say it because I was so deceived that in this month, July 2020, the Lord himself removed the veil from my eyes to reveal the truth.
Y digo que fui engañada porque cada vez que yo necesitaba algún confort o algún avivamiento en Dios, yo volvía a aquella experiencia.
And he showed me that every time I was needing like a personal little revival or I needed comfort, I kept seeking that specific experience.
Pero ahí no encontraba a Dios, porque a Dios solo se le puede encontrar leyendo su palabra, con fe, creyéndola, teniendo una relación con Jesucristo.
But I could not find it seeking it there because if you really want God, you're not going to experience him there, but you're going to experience him through his word and through Jesus Christ. No one can come to God except through Jesus Christ.
Cada vez que yo decía mi experiencia mística
Every time I would share this mystical experience that I had
a cristianos verdaderos,
to true spirit-filled Christians,
ellos a veces trataban de ponerla en duda.
they would try to question me,
Entonces a veces yo eso me molestaba,
and that would irritate me.
pero eso iba creando en mí la duda.
But then it started to kind of cause me to start to question also that experience.
Y a través de los años fui cuestionada en diferentes ocasiones. Entonces, por eso, hasta ahora fue quitada la venda. Pero digo, ¿por qué hasta ahora? El Señor nunca llega tarde. El Señor tenía este testimonio para este momento en que Cristo Jesús ya está por venir. Y mucha gente está siguiendo ese tipo de ideas y de ideologías que andan buscando gozo, paz y felicidad en teorías de Satanás.
And so I would ask myself, Lord, for so many years that I said I claimed to know you and to believe in Jesus, why did I still believe that experience was of God? But and I asked him why. But God is never late in revealing what he needs to reveal to us. And so when he revealed this, it was right on time, because this testimony is going to go forth to people who are right now being deceived by angels of light, who are seeking peace and joy and love in Satan himself.
Pero no solamente le puede dar a uno experiencias que le gustan y que, ¿verdad?, espirituales, pero también se las cobra, porque también me estuvo haciendo daño. O sea, primero atacó mi tiroides, porque según yo con las chakras me iba a sanar, de que no hablaba y de que quería que... Y entonces, en esa ocasión, yo estaba en una meditación y hasta podía oír el correr de mi sangre por todo mi cuerpo, pero empecé a ver algo que yo no sabía qué era. Pero,
So I'm going to tell you that what we need to know is that not only does the angel of that masquerades as an angel of light, the devil, can give you pleasurable experiences, mystical, spiritual encounters, but make a note of this: he will charge you. It will cost you. And it began to cost me, because at one time I was meditating, and I was deep in a meditation, and I could even hear the blood flowing through my veins. And supposedly with doing the chakras, I was going to heal myself from just being timid and not speaking. And so I was calling upon the universe's power into this area.
y yo sentí porque como le hablé a toda la energía del universo que viniera a esa área que yo veía, que no sabía en ese entonces qué era, y que quitara eso de ahí. Y fue un ataque a la tiroides.
So I, without knowing, even cursed myself and calling upon all the energy of the universe to come and penetrate this area. And the next thing you know, my thyroid was attacked.
Estuve tomando medicina para la tiroides por 9 años.
So I had to get on medication. They diagnosed me with Hashimoto disease, and I got on thyroid medication for 9 years.
Y me habían dicho que era de por vida.
And they told me I would have to take this medication for life.
Hace 3 años que la dejé de tomar y yo estoy bien.
But 3 years ago, I stopped taking it, and God healed me, and I am fine.
También me atacó con el vitiligo. O sea, ustedes pueden ver mi mano.
The devil also attacked me with vitiligo.
Y también con el cáncer. Yo
And
tuve
also
cáncer.
cancer. I got cancer.
Pero gracias a Cristo Jesús,
But thank you to
yo
Jesus
fui
Christ, I
sanada
was healed completely. She was
completamente.
healed from stage 4 metastatic cancer with no radiation and no chemotherapy. Jesus Christ healed her.
Porque solamente Cristo Jesús, que es Dios, puede sanar.
Because only Jesus Christ, who is God,
Dar
can heal
gozo, paz y amor.
and give true peace and joy and love.
El único camino hacia Él es leer su santa palabra y oír su santa palabra y creerla con fe.
And the only way to get to know him is through his living word and living it out and reading it and believing it and walking it.
Él perdona, Él libera, Él justifica,
He
Él
forgives.
santifica.
He sets free, he sanctifies, he justifies.
Gloria sea dada a Dios Padre por su amor con que tanto nos ama y que mandó a Cristo Jesús, su unigénito Hijo Jesucristo, para que todo el que en Él crea no muera, mas tenga vida eterna. Gloria a Dios.
Amen.
Amen.
Amen.